Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy ETFs on Vanguard Roth IRA. First, ensure you have a Vanguard Roth IRA account set up. This type of account offers significant tax benefits for your retirement savings, as qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. We'll guide you through the initial steps, from understanding the account's advantages to navigating Vanguard's user-friendly platform. It's a straightforward process to begin building your investment portfolio. Once your Roth IRA is open, the next step is to fund it. You can easily link your bank account to your Vanguard account for electronic transfers. Simply initiate an electronic funds transfer to move money into your Roth IRA. Many investors also choose to set up direct deposits from their paychecks for consistent contributions. Remember to stay within the annual contribution limits, which are typically around $7,000 for individuals under age 50 and $8,000 for those age 50 and over. Now, let's select and purchase your ETFs. Vanguard offers a wide range of exchange-traded funds covering various sectors and asset classes. Utilize Vanguard's powerful screening tools to filter ETFs based on your investment objectives, risk tolerance, and desired diversification. Once you've identified an ETF, you can place an order to buy it. You can choose between a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to specify a maximum purchase price. Always confirm your order before finalizing. After purchasing your ETFs, ongoing management is key. Regularly review your portfolio's performance and ensure your asset allocation still aligns with your long-term goals. Periodically rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired risk level and diversification. Many investors choose to reinvest dividends, allowing their earnings to compound over time and accelerate growth. Staying informed about market conditions and your overall investment strategy will help you make sound decisions for your financial future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.